So now we will start discussing how to solve such task. Find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansions of. So here the strategy is very simple. Let's take A to discuss first. I will solve A for you and H, but you have to solve all the other exercises yourself. So if we take A, let's take A, yes? So just take A for now. And in order to solve this task, first of all, we need to expand using the Pascal triangle, because we know at the moment only the Pascal triangle. Expand using Pascal triangle. But here there is a little trick. You see what you need to do? You need to find the coefficient of x cubed. So you need basically to know where x cubed will appear, because you don't have to find all the expansion, but only the one single term. And then just find the coefficient. So how do I do this? You can see that here I have the power of 4. So I need to write down the Pascal triangle for the level 4. So this is level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, and finally we have level 4. So this is level 4. And you see we will have 5 different terms. So let us try to see what we have in this case. So if we have x plus 3 to the power of 4, we need to figure out what is that. Remember, if we have a plus b to the power of 4, we can use all these coefficients here, but it will be like a to the power of 4. We need to keep all the time the power of 4 by multiplying the terms here. So the next thing, it will be plus 4 times we have the coefficient, and here we have a now to the power of 3, b to the power of 1. Then plus 6a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2. Remember that all the powers shall be in sum equal to 4. Plus then 4a times b to the power of 3, and plus 1 or just single b to the power of 4, because here it doesn't matter, it's not needed to write a, because a to the power of 0 is 1. And now if we open this case, we have to figure out here x will be with the power of 4, and the next term will be 4 times x to the power of 3 and times 3 to the power of 1. So this is our needed term. Then later you can even ignore what happens afterwards, because here you know that you have just x, and if you have just x here, you can see you have just x here, and you know that x to the power of 4 will be here. The next term will be by 1, you will decrease x power, and so on. So that if you want to continue this part, you can say here will be 6x squared times 3 squared plus etc. But this term already is not the one which you are interested in. And this term which you get shows you that the coefficient is 12. You can see you have the following. So you have the before x cubed, the coefficient is 12. I hope it's clear how I did it. Now I will show you how to do with this. And in order to do this, we have to delete what we have here, but I shall not delete the Pascal triangle, because the Pascal triangle also has the power of 4 and the level 4, and here is also the level 4. So again, a plus b to the power of 4, it is equal a to the power of 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the power of 4. And now we have to put it all together like this. But you see here, you have 5 and x over 2. So if we take this term, we are multiplying it to, we are taking it to cube exactly here. So this guy will be responsible for that one. If you have here 5 minus x over 2 to the power of 4. So here we can skip this all until this moment, and here we have 4 times, instead of a we have 5, so we just put 5 and multiply by, instead of b we have minus x to the power divided by 2 to the power of 3. And then here we have some other things. Yeah, so here we have plus. So this is the term which we are interested in, because here we have x to the power of 3. And in order to solve this, we can do it very simple. Just go here, it will be 20 times minus x to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So we will have 20 over 8, 20 over 8 times minus x to the power of 3. So it is going to be minus 10 over 4, 5 over 2 x cubed. So the coefficient before x cubed is 5 over 2 with a minus sign. And this is the solution. Thanks.